Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethu babujwaha kunjani?
Amabhakane yajabulile. Namhlanje si28 lenyanga bathi inyanga yothando. Bathi thina madoda asingabahlukameza abantu besifazane. Ngempela ke iqinisile iPirates ithe mayithi 1. Ithe futhi iPirates mayiphinda yathi 2. Ithe iPirates mayisethi 3. Abonje hayi manje impela abantu besifazane ngeke basaphinde bahlukumezeke. Once a Pirates, always a Pirates. Bafowethu, let's be honest. Asibuyelene egemini. Bafowethu niyazi ukuthi besikhala ngani. Nasi kahle mhlophe ukuthi besikhala ngani. Into yokuqala nje engizoyibonga. Thank you to Orlando Pirates management. Abalandeli bePirates bayayazi team yabo. The time be complainer. Bethi bring back uMakgopa. Bring back uMbatha. Bring back uMbuli. They know ukuthi bebethini. Okokuqala asadi nobe sekuthi nifuna ukuba sadlana yini ku national call up ukuthi ba eAmerica ba represent Orlando Pirates Football Club. Without fear or favor kumele ngokusho straight lokho. Ngoba uma ama players representa national team kumele wanikeze game time because the head coach ya national team is always there ukubona performance. But mawuba beke benchini you kill them and then uthi abangasaphinde babizwe ku national team. That's a big mistake you did. Next time, please guys, next time, know your story. Know your story before Orlando Pirates supporters reminding you about the culture, about the winning combination. Yeah. Look today, nice score. If you have been going to the local Sundowns, every injury is within a minute. Fake injury, I told you that I'm some fake injury. Look Umbata when namhlanje. That fake injury killed Pirates, man. Kabe namhlanje sikhuluma ukuthi Sundowns sidlile esivula igap namhlanje. Now sokumbanga wamagoli.
Sizobaqhatha bobabili.
Anyway, because ngisheshana understand ukuthi asifuni ukuzoshaya ivosho eRand Stadium. Nasilungisa indaba zenu. Continue nilungisa indaba zenu. iPride ayifuneki, this is a football. This is a competition. Uma suyibambile winning combination, grab them with both hands. Otherwise, we miss a winning combination. You are always crying. City Sundowns, Itata, Betway, 8 times in a row. See Orlando Pirates, a big team. This time, Betway belong to Orlando Pirates Football Club. But the mistake is Masethala and Sundowns. You have to beat champions to be becoming a champion. Not to go to champion. Now, Sizosebenza very hard because Sundowns is here winning up and Sundowns is winning up. Into Bamanga Bektua Besidli, Sundowns continue on the win. Gabesit is stress free. Yes. But anyway, step by step, game by game, make sure. No point on Malatroshwe Manji. And make sure good score, Jangas winning go 3, as many as Kupuka because the Petue is what Kinu Bango Wamakodi. And Mbongo Mbata. And Uti Abe Aboni Suguting a Pelabanga Inshar. Angimbono ngwana sis man. Ngwana sis man. I told you guys good. uMakgopa kumele afundise uMphuthuma. And noMphuthuma ngiyambonga because lo mthwalo awuthwaliswa iOrlando Pirates is too much and it's too big for him. He's a young striker, should be agronywe step by step, game by game. But elena kuMakgopa. Not ukuthi uMakgopa ngalena kuMphuthuma no. Ayikho into enjalo. Asekho student teacher esifundisa uthisha ufundisa student. Yeah. And two sikhahlekhehle. Ubani ke?
Dina saka mahlale.
Ubani ke?
Dina saka mahlale.
Atiyadli tshebe. Atiyadli. Awuyadle mnyama yazonto impofu. Kaizer Chiefs nayi ke a warning. Ningabani phinde ninikeze Sundowns i-dressing room yenu. Niyabona ama results manje lose after lose. Lose after lose. Yile ndayela abayishiye kule dressing room. Mhlambe nizazodliwa 2 bese niyoklina le dressing room. Indayela. Kill Kaizer Chiefs.
So i-performance yakasibilibili uyibone kanjani today?
Although angithanda ukuthi umdlali mine position aconvince from ukuba striking force aye ku backline. Angithandi lonto because njenganabantu abadlala ibhola, siyadlala ibhola. of which uma nga uthengiwe ku-professional kunama-players ethengelwe uba ama-defender. Uma usuzoconvincewa uthathela umuntu iposition yokuba defender kanti bo-midfield, something else. And then create a disaster sometimes. Should be very, very careful. Ungaconvince umdlali angazange athengele ukuba defender. Give that mdlali role yakho azoyidlala because uma usumconvince uthini ngalaba obathengele ukuba ama-defender. Yena usibilibili upusha very hard. But uconvince ku-position unikezwe something new is something dangerous.
It's something dangerous Baba Jwaka. So i-man of the match yakho kuba ubani?
Mfowethu ngaphandle kwesikhehle ngawubani. Ubani khehle? Uyabona Makhawula mfowethu. Umidfield ubambile. Umidfield ubambile ubambe yedwa kwaze kwafika inkunzi elifana namanje zambalance. Hayi mfowethu mina ngihamba noMakhawula. Yes abo Apolis badlalile. Abo Mbuthuma, abo Sibelebele badlalile. Kodwa ubani khehle?
Usikhehle. Last question Baba Jwaka. Last time sikhulume Orlando sikuzwe uthi awusaboni ngathi league isazoyithatha. Do you still have those things namanje?
Ngithe brawam angithandi ukuthandaza umthandazo wabathakathi. Manje abalandeli bePirates sebezoqala mamhlazana iSundowns idlala ne-Chiefs. Sesoba ama-friends of Chiefs manje. Of which namhlanje i-Chiefs iSundowns be ama-friends of Chiefs because beyifuna leya ukuthi thina i-Chiefs isidle so that bezaba naleya peace. Manje sesizothandaza umthandazo wabathakathi ukuthi any team against Sundowns sithi please your team do us a favor beat Sundowns. Ayisebenzi kanjalo. Sisifake thina manje under pressure. Anyway, never give up until let's hope ukuthi leyo mthandazo wokuthakatha somehow ingasebenzela sibuyele back to sithathe i-race ye-Betway. Sengizobuyelwa ihope nje kancane.
Niyezwa amapakaniya izobuyelwa ihope Baba Jwaka. Bopha!